showing y'all. So far, all in all, I probably have made at least $500 so far. So that's half of 1,000, and the month isn't even over.
What's your issue? Early in the morning trying to see what you into. For a page, letting no pencil. Pouring on my heart, trying to tell you what I've been through. I don't wanna be here no more, cause they don't wanna
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamisha of Stylist Within Me, and today, y'all, I'm basically showing y'all what I'm doing for my business. If y'all do not, well, most of y'all don't know, I started a cosmetics business called Rosie Jaxon Cosmetics, and it is named after my mom, Rosie, and my son. My son's name is Carter, but one of his middle names is Jackson. Don't question me about why he has more than one middle name. Don't question me about it, okay? He has more than one middle name. But anyway, I started this company actually this month on the 1st, which is my dad's birthday. So it was supposed to be on the 31st of March, but I ended up, I released it on April 1st. So now I'm in the process of just making my business cards, like basically revamping and trying to get my brand more cohesive, if that makes sense. Like, I'm trying to get everything on one accord. So I'm making business cards right now, and I'm just gonna show y'all like what I'm doing. I know I don't look the best. Y'all, please don't come for me. I know I don't look the best. This is like a regular day, okay? I'm just trying to get things handled. So y'all gonna come with me, and we're gonna sit at the computer, and y'all gonna look at me make business cards. And I can show y'all my thank you cards that I made too. So yeah, come on, y'all. Okay, so right now I am making a business card. I can show y'all my old business card. We have bread on the table, baby. Right now, this is my business card. It's not real reflective of my brand, actually, because my brand colors are red, gold, and white, and this is more marble and stuff. Like, it's real cute. I ordered these off Zazzle, and I did not have my website when I made these cards, so I'm redoing them. I basically want to use everything, but I'm finding things myself. Let me put on my specs, honey, so I can see y'all. Y'all don't see me with glasses on all the time, and y'all ain't gonna see me behind the camera with them on either. Okay, but anyway, look, I'm finna find me a chip to go on to this credit card. I'm really feeling this one. And so, you know what we do. Make sure it's a PNG image, so where the background becomes transparent. Like, this isn't transparent, so I'm just gonna go find me another image. Transparent. Let's see what pops up then. The same image, or better yet, let's go back to Canva. Okay, so right now I'm just on Canva, and I am making something. Let me show y'all my thank you cards on Canva. I have 1,000 things on Canva. So for those of y'all that don't know, you can order stuff off of Canva now. Like, they made that accessible. So these are my thank you cards. So far I had thank you cards from Zazzle, but Zazzle is hot as AF. According to Canva is much cheaper. So all you have to do is make your stuff up, and I press print. I'm not finna print these again. I already paid for them one time. So you can do 50 copies for $27. That's cheaper than Zazzle, but Zazzle has coupons and stuff too. So I mean, it kind of has its perks and doesn't have its perks. But I mean, well, I take that back. The thank you cards on Zazzle are like $60 something, y'all, and the ones on here, you get 50 copies for $27, and then I just did the free shipping because right now I'm just doing handwritten notes. So it doesn't matter. But I went in and decorated my own thank you cards. It feels more personal and me. I like decorating stuff myself. So yeah, we're gonna go to this and we're gonna go to elements on Canva. Excuse the Piggly Wiggly bread. If y'all are from the country, you know. Let me see. Can I type in chip? See if they have a chip. I don't know what to call it. My Wi-Fi is slow. But I've been going to Pinterest trying to just find like reference photos of like business credit cards, what they look like and stuff. So I can just get like a reference of like where things should go and all that good stuff. Okay, so y'all, the reason I started my business is because I noticed that I'm always buying lip glosses from, in the store. I'm always buying lip glosses and I'm always buying lashes. Like, I support other people's business too. So I'm just like, if these are things that you wear, why not create a brand yourself? You get what I'm saying? And I always wanted to have my own cosmetics business, and so now it feels like a great accomplishment that I've got it off the ground. And y'all, like, it just feels so freaking good. So yeah, I named it after my mom and my son. Excuse this doggone light back here in the background. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't need y'all coming from me about the quality of this video, okay? But I just, let me see, can I sit my phone right here? I just wanted something of my own. Y'all, my son wants to pack orders with me, and that's like the cutest thing ever. He wants to pack and he wants to deliver the orders with me, because like, right now I'm just doing like local deliveries and stuff. My business is online. It's called rosiejaxoncosmetics.com, and I will leave a link below and y'all can check that out. Right now I'm sold out of my lip glosses, so I have to remake them, and I'm coming back with new colors. But yeah, I just wanted something of my own and something that I could help people with, and something that I actually care about. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I want. And so I'm telling y'all, please go support my business. It's a small growing business because it's growing. Y'all, so far, all in all, I probably have made at least $500 so far. So that's half of 1,000, and the month isn't even over. Last time I checked, it was like four something. That's almost 500 to me. So I have a sale going on right now, and the sale is going to end tomorrow. I might extend the sale out. It's a buy one get one half off sale of all my lashes. So you know what? I think I am going to extend it out. But you guys, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all like what I have been doing and why I've been MIA. And I do have sewing videos coming, DIYs, stuff like that. I have all that coming, y'all. I promise y'all. I promise y'all that. Why I can't find this doggone chip, honey? Transparent card chip. PNG. This is the only time it is like super quiet in my house. Parents are going fishing. My child is with his dad. It's like a good day to get things done. And I'm freaking organizing. Let me show y'all my new drawer. I have this in the hallway because I just needed to pull it out. But I bought a new drawer from Walmart. And this has the little pull-out trays at the top, and the big ones at the bottom. So I bought these as well, these little small containers to hold my fragrance oils, my colors, Like, these are my mica powders right here. And this was the container that these came in. I'm going to start doing maybe like inventory hauls or something like that, because I just ordered new tubes, because I have older tubes, the regular squeeze tubes. And so, yeah, I'm just trying to get my life organized right now, child. My mind is running 1,000 places, and I'm trying to think of things to just try and keep my sanity, y'all. And this was something else that I'm working on. Like, I want to get my own boxes for my actual lip glosses. And so what I have been doing, I bought some poster board. I found out that poster board is, excuse the nail, I found out that poster board is actually more sturdier than the photo paper. So this is my logo, Rosie Jaxon Cosmetics. And I just been playing around with boxes. Like, I found a box template. Y'all can't see it. It's like real transparent. So I was gonna go to Walmart and actually get these printed out so I can cut them out myself versus using all my ink at home. But it looks like I'm gonna have to use my ink at home, y'all. So I didn't know. I had actually sent this, not this actual exact reference. Well, I did send a reference to a vendor, and I was just like, is the red really red? Because on camera, on the phone screen, it looks pink. And so she was like, no, it's not all the way red. So I'm just like, man, I just want to do it myself. So that's why I'm doing it now, so I can see it visually for myself. And so I actually like this design better. Y'all let me know which one y'all like, this one or this one. So I actually like this one better for a white box. Although I did go on AliExpress, and they have boxes, like 100 pieces, 100 boxes, and they don't have any logo on it. But I actually want my logo on the box. I don't want a sticker on the box. I want my logo on the box. Okay? So yeah, I'm just, this is more time consuming because I'm literally putting my blood, sweat, and tears into my business, because I have to cut these out one by one. Okay? So that's hard work and dedication to my business, you guys. So right now I'm just trying, I deleted that ombre. It wasn't all that cute to me. So I'm just playing around with this. Focus. This moved. And y'all can easily find a template online, because that's what I did. I actually just searched for a template and have a free template. But I did buy some templates off Etsy too. But the ones off Etsy, they fit like one fit perfectly. It had a window right there. But the only thing is, the template that the lady provided is purple. So it printed out purple, or like I had to change the grayscale to gray. Like, I didn't want that. I probably could have just changed it and made my, like, traced it and made my own template. Oh gosh, let's undo, go back. So yeah, I'm making my own boxes. I bought a whole bunch of poster boards from Walmart today to cut out and stuff, so I can see how it looks.
Let me call home. Tell home, come on.
And Mama caught it.
Yeah, she got all three of them. I caught some little ones. I got some small.
Why you ain't turning the same way? Flip him over. Put him at the end. Put
It fit pregnant, ain't it?
It might be.
What, this one?
Yeah, they're big as all.
Probably full of babies.
But see, them the ones they really want you to throw back.
They're bigger.
Yeah.
So what?
Because they don't want you to have them.
Can you see them like that?
I forgot to keep recording, but I finished up my business cards, y'all, and this is what they look like. Now I'm just showing y'all. I think I ordered like 200 of them. I really like the turnout of my cards. So I'm saving this first, because I was going to do a comparison of Zazzle. So I saved this in PNG form, so it'll have a transparent background. I'm saving both front and back styles. So y'all finna see me go over to Zazzle real quick. Alright, so we're over at Zazzle, and I'm just gonna click on business cards. You can see they start off at $20.95, then they have a little coupon. So I just went back to check the measurements of my business cards on Canva to make sure they match these. And over there, I ended up adding a rounded corner and changing out the different paper styles. I think I made the paper a little thicker or shinier. And if you all don't know, you have to add your pictures in on Canva. So this is what they look like. That's the front. And now I have to go and do the back one. So I just have to add the back end. And basically, it's pretty much the same process. But the only thing is, on Canva, on Zazzle, they automatically start you off with a pack of 100. So even with the discount, the stuff was still high, y'all. And I'm going to show y'all what they look like. So this is the front and back picture of what they would look like on a printout from Zazzle. So they look pretty good. But yeah, this is the price with the coupon. And then this is the price for $150, 150 copies. And so I just chose 200. So y'all, I am finished with the video. I just had to go get my son. Y'all see my finished results of my business cards. I love them. I love them. I always feel better when I actually do things myself versus, I don't know what I be thinking sometimes. Like, I buy a template, but then I have to go and make it myself. So I have been making money off my business, but I have been putting money back into my business. So it's not like I have been able to just off top catch a profit. I'm making a profit, but I put that back into my business to make it better. That's in the beginning stages. I know once I grow bigger and bigger, then I can really, take a profit from that. But since it's the beginning, you don't really want to just take unless you plan on not continuing on. So, yeah. I know this video is, like, literally all over the place. My daddy's fishing. Y'all, but just bear with me. Next time y'all see me, I will not look like this. So, please comment, like, share, tell a friend, all the links will be down below to my website, to my social medias. Y'all can follow me, follow my business page, and support me. And so I will see y'all next time. Bye.
Issue. Early in the morning trying to see what you into. 4 page, let it no pencil. Pouring on my heart, trying to tell you what I've been through.